Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making crepes. It's a really easy recipe, but it's kind of challenging once you get towards the end. But first, what you need will be milk, flour, melted butter, eggs, and sugar. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow. So first what we're going to do is in a blender, you are going to combine all of your ingredients. I like to start with like all the liquid first. So okay, now we're going to let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes to just let it rest. Okay, so it's been about 15-20 minutes. Now you just want to mix it up before you pour it into the pan. So over here I have my crepe pan, and you want some butter just to like grease the pan, and you just want to stir that, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I have this. I've just put some butter on there to grease it. Now, I'm just gonna place this over here. This in there. Okay, well, it's tinier crepe. That's okay. And get a plate. And you want to have it on like low, medium low. There we go. Perfect. That's a good crepe. Normally my first one doesn't turn out super good, but this one did. This looks great. Okay, then you can just put it on your plate that you have. Wow, that was great. And then keep doing that to the rest of these. You want to grease every now and then, because otherwise it'll be nuts. Now, we obviously want to decorate these up a little bit, make them a lot more tasty. So, on one plate, on a different plate, I love Nutella crepes, so I just find those like super good, like they taste amazing. We don't have any fruit, so I'm just going to do Nutella and powdered sugar, but that still tastes great. Okay, so these are the crepes we've made. They look very good. I was kind of snacking a little bit, so these are just the ones that are left. They look very nice. You can also like put some fruit on it, like blueberries or strawberries, and that also tastes super good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.